Hello guys, today I have taken this object. See, question is given pictorial view of an object. Figure shows pictorial view of an object. By using first angle projection method, draw sectional front view along given section AA. Now see, in this object A is given and we have to draw sectional front view. So the front view will be direction of X. So in this direction there is a front view. Then obviously there is a right hand side view on top. Okay, so this is question is given. See, the length is given directly 90 mm, width is given again directly 50 mm, height is also given directly 20 plus 40 60. So let us start the object. So front view will be here, so xx yy 15 mm distance above, then draw the line below 15 mm, draw the line, and here length is given 100. So firstly we'll draw the top view. So length is given 100 mm, so it is 100. Sorry, length is given 90 mm, so we'll take 90. So it is 90 mm is given, we'll take as a 90. Okay, then width is given 50 mm, so we'll take 50. Okay, it should be front lens. Then draw axis line. So total 50, so there is a 20 with the help of scale. There is a center line, so take 25 mm distance, draw center line, because total width is 50, so half will be 25 mm. So this is the center line. We'll start the object. See, whenever we are observing this object, from the top side, so will be visible this portion. Again we also visible this side also, that side also, and this much portion. So start. So outside all the lines it should be the dark, because we are observing this object from the top. So all the lines it is visible, so it should be dark. Okay, next, see this line here, this line to this, it is given 50, and same time center line of this circle 20. So both the lines we will draw. So with the help of scale we will take center line. So it is given 20. This distance is given 20, then afterwards it is 10 and 50. So it is 50. See, I am trying the center line. Again same time we are projecting towards the front view. Again center line, and this line is dark one. Okay, so we are drawn this line. Now at center this box is there. See, at this is this portion, and below, sorry, that is at center there is one square, so 20 by 20 square is there. So we'll draw 20 by 20 square. So firstly it will 10 this side, 10 will be this side, and this is 20 means half of this 20. So there is again center, we can imagine center line 10 mm this side, 10 mm this side. So let us check the dimension. So this will be the 40. So minus 10 mm this side, minus 10 mm this side. Again here also we can minus 10 mm. Sorry, there is a 10 mm this side, so this is 10 mm. So we'll draw the front lines. First we will draw front line. Okay, now this will be the square box, so we can represent by the dark because this is the visible, and this will draw this line. It should be dark, dark. Okay, dark. Now see, same portion below this there is a tunnel having its 10 mm length. So but it start from the left side, it is 15 mm, so we'll take 15 mm from this side, 15 mm this side, and then 10 mm. So we'll keep 15 mm distance, 15 mm, then 10 mm. Okay, so we are taking 15 mm distance, 15 mm distance from this side, 15 mm distance from this side, and that is not visible, so dotted lines. And I am again projecting towards the front. You keep 10 mm distance because the tunnel length is 10 mm, so we are taking 10 mm from this, then dotted lines. Again project towards the front view, then we will draw this portion. So here, see here, it is 16 mm diameter is given, 16, so we'll take 8 mm as a radius, 8 mm. So we are taking 8 mm radius. Okay, and remaining portion will be the straight line. Okay, so our topic is just completed within a 5 to 7 minutes. Let us start the front view. So from in front view we are observing from this direction, so this portion is dark, this one is dark, this dark tunnel, so we'll start that way. Show this. Okay, so this is dark, then this is the tunnel portion. So height of this object is base plate, sorry, it is 20, so we'll take 20, 20, both the side it is 20. Now see, the tunnel height is 10 mm from the bottom, so we'll take 10 mm, which is 10, 10, then connect it. Okay, then glass plate, top side of base plate. Okay. One thing is, one is small correction is there, so okay, now it is correct. Now we are projecting these points upward direction, all the points, this line, and then this one. Previous tunnel is completed, so you cannot transmit. Then this circle, this semicircle point, both the sides. Okay, uh, from this base plate there is a height is 40 mm, so take 40, so 40, so here it is 40, so we'll draw horizontal line or parallel to the x, we draw the lines. So this is the portion it is visible, and this line means this one, then connected by the dark line, this portion, this one, and this. Okay, just that much. Now only one part is remain, that is whenever we are observing from this direction, there is a free space like this shape, means semicircle, both sides there is semicircle, and this is the free space, so that should be represented by the dotted line, this point should represent by the dotted line because not visible. Again this point should represent by the dotted line, but here we have to draw the sectional front view, so that dotted line will be converted into the dark. So only we are projecting the center line, or we are drawing the center line, because there is not necessary to draw the dotted lines, because dotted line is converted into the dark. Now see, whenever we are cutting this object along AA, we are cutting this object along AA, the cutting will start from this, complete portion will be cut, only tunnel, this portion will not cut. Whenever we are cut, start here, this is the free space, so will not cut, and this will be cut. So see, this dotted lines, this circle means this circle dotted line is convert into the dark, and this line will be not visible. So we'll remove that line. So I am removing this line because it is not visible, and circle line, it is visible. Due to the cutting, it will be the, rather than dotted, it should be the dark. Now take 45-degree angle. So 45-degree angle, draw the sectional lines. Again, distance of these two lines, it should be twice mm. Angle of this line, it should be 45-degree. Okay, so this is the sectional front view. See, when we are cutting this object along the direction of, along the plane AA, so after cutting, this object will be look like this. So this portion will be cut, and we are representing by the sectional lines. So this is the sectional line, and angle of this sectional line is 45-degree, and distance between two lines, it is 2 mm. So sorry. So like that, draw the sectional lines. Now we'll project all the points toward the side view. So with the help of this, firstly we project top view points, center line, okay, then this one, okay, then height also project, then tunnel height. Okay, we are projecting all the points from the front view as well as the top view. Now with the help of compass, we will project top view point firstly. So this line should be faint. Okay. Okay. Now firstly we will draw the center line. So this is the center line. First we will draw center line. Okay, then outside line. Okay. Let us start the object. See, from this side there is a base plate. In that base plate again there is a hole. So this hole. So it is represented by the dotted lines. Again, same base plate, there is a tunnel. So again, dotted lines. So firstly we will draw the base plate. Dark line, dark line. Okay, this tunnel should represent here, that is hidden one, but we should represent by the dotted line, so we can see that it is hidden. Now same portion, there is again this one, so we are projecting this point from the bottom side, so this line represent the hole from this point. Again this line, here it is. Okay, so whole we are represented from this base plate. Above that base plate there is this portion, so uh, just this one, this line, see. Now we project this line towards the upward direction. See. So this line means 10 mm this side, there is 10 mm this side. So 10 mm this side, 10 mm this side, and join the base plate with this line. Okay, and the top side. So we have completed the side view also. Just name, we give just dimensions are remain. So take 5 mm distance, dimensions. Now this distance is given 15, this is 10, and total it is 90. So also we can cover this distance 20 mm. So this is 20, so this is 10, and remaining it will be, so see, 20 plus 10 30 plus this 10 40 plus 15, so it is 5 and 5, 90 minus 55, see 90 minus 55, so we cannot find 2, so it will be 35, so it will be again 35, so it is 35. So you can say complete length is 90 mm. Now width, see, in width we'll cover here total width is, it is 50, so rather than I am giving 50 mm, we'll cover, okay, we'll just directly write 50, and here we'll cover the our okay, here we'll cover the top surface square, so it is 20. Okay, now same will cover here also, because this dimension is remains in front view, so we'll cover here, it is 20. Okay, circle, take 45-degree angle, arrow, dimension arrow, and write R, how much it is, 8. So length covered, width covered, only height is remain, so height will give in front view. So this distance, tunnel distance is given, it is 10, so and remaining it is again 10, and above it is 40. Okay, so you can write it is a sectional front view, then it is top view, and this is your right hand side view. Okay, thank you, thanks for watching.